welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. So today I'm sharing all of my tips and tricks, everything that I have learned over the many years of doing manicures. I finally can say that after trying everything under the sun, I finally have it down to a T. What works best? No peeling, no chipping, just a really good fresh manicure. This is quick, it's simple, it's easy, it's fast. This works so well for me. This is what I do every single time that I do my nails now and my toes. So I hope this is really helpful. I hope it works for you guys and hopefully you try it out as well. So if you find this video helpful and you want to see more videos like it, then give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you, and turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my uploads. I upload about 4 to 6 days a week.
So always start with washing your hands first because this will remove all of the oils off of your nails that would otherwise act as a barrier. So after you file and shape your nails, this right here is key, and that is to gently buff the top layer of your nail. This helps remove any further oil and also gives your nail texture, which helps your nail polish adhere even better. So you guys know I love white nails, and this is my go-to lately. It's by ORLY, and this is their Breathable Treatment Plus Color Polish, and this is in the color White Tips. It's a really bright white. I really like it. I have it on my fingers and my toes. This polish works so well because it has a breathable formula that prevents chipping and peeling. You don't need a base coat or a top coat either, which saves you so much time, and it's infused with argan oil, vitamin B5, and vitamin C, and it's a 13-free formula, which is so important. Okay, so what you're gonna see me do here in just a second is the second important step, and that is right here, which is capping off or painting the very ends of your nail. This is gonna seal everything in, secure everything in place. So just like with any gel, this polish goes a long way, so you only need a little bit. And the best technique that I found with painting your nails is to start at 3/4 of the nail, and then you can paint each side and then make your way up to the cuticle. Otherwise, you're gonna flood your nail bed, you'll flood your cuticle, and it's not very cute. So this has been the best way and the easiest way that I found that has worked for me. So if you're having problems with flooding your nail bed or your cuticle, try this out and see how it works for you. You guys, these flash dry drops from ORLY are a game changer, and they're so satisfying to do. You take the little dropper, you put 2 to 3 drops on each nail. It completely covers the entire nail, sits right on the polish, and instantly dries it. Like, I don't know how, but I'm so thankful for this because you don't have to sit around and wait for your nails to dry or worry about them smudging. You put these drops on, you just wait like 30 seconds, and you're good to go. And this hand cream is incredible. It's my new favorite. I'm so obsessed. It's made with argan oil, and it smells heavenly. It's like a light lemon scent, and it's so silky. It leaves your skin feeling and looking so supple and glowy and hydrated. I am obsessed with this stuff. I have been putting it on all day and all night. I love having a fresh mani. I always feel confident and pretty, put together, and empowered as a woman, and I hope that every single one of you women out there feel the same exact way.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you took something from it. Hopefully you can take some of these tips and some of these products and utilize them into your nail care and manicure routine. If you've seen anything in this video that you like, check the description. The link will be there, as well as a 15% off discount code. So check it out. Definitely take advantage of it. Comment down below and let me know which color nail polish you would most likely to use. The white, the pink, the crystally pearly one, or the lavender. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications, and I love you guys so much. Thanks again for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I'll see you tomorrow in a brand new video.